Hi guys, Steph here. Now some of you would have watched my recent small pen haul video and seen this pen here. As you can see, yes, it's a nice pen, a little bit tired. Unfortunately there's quite a bit of scratching to the section, and also if you look down to the bottom of the barrel there where the cap's been posted, a lot of scratching. And here's the pen after we've done a little bit of work on it. A gorgeous, handsome fountain pen. What we've got for you here is a lovely Watermans 877 fountain pen. Some people will look at it and call it the Taperite, the Watermans Taperite. Let's go straight to the sort of barrel imprint, which is lovely and clear. And you can see it says Watermans, made in England, and then it's got the number 877 down to the bottom there. So a lovely clear imprint. As we said, it's a Watermans. Although it's a Taperite, I believe this model is what they term as the Citation. The reason being, the Taperite model was actually the name of the sort of the nib sort of design that they've used, which we'll show you in a moment. But you can get these pens in numerous different caps, and the cap indicates the name, or yeah, if you like, the name of the model. Now this one, as you can see, has this quite a large sort of gold-filled cap band, sort of literally running halfway up the cap itself. It's got the sort of very recognisable Watermans clip there with the name Watermans, with a sort of slight stud to the very top of the cap there, as you can see. So this particular cap, I believe, is called the model is called the Citation. You'll also notice that this pen, it has what we term as this very sort of recognisable Watermans. It's what we term as a box lever. Okay, there we go, nice and clear for you. It's a lovely handsome pen, not very clear I don't think on the video, but this one comes in this lovely green colour. The size of the pen, it's 134 millimeters in length, capped. Around the diameter of the barrel, it's a lovely 12 millimeters in diameter, so it's a lovely, I wouldn't say it was an oversized, but it's a large fountain pen. So let's take off the cap for you, which is friction fit. Let's give you a couple of twirls so you can see it. As I said, it was very tired, lots of scratching to the end here, to the section. We've removed them, and we've put a brand new sack in the pen, so everything is in working order. If we take you up to the section there, you can see it's got what we term as this semi-hooded nib. Now the reason for that being is that of that particular period, and when I say period, I'm dating this pen from around about, I don't know, sort of mid-1940s. The Taperite, I believe, was sort of from 1943 through to, I believe, around about 1951. But this one, I'm dating sort of mid-1940s. And the Taperite, again, the name of this particular design of section and nib, was, if you like, a sort of direct competitor to the Parker 51. With this, well, you people know the 51 has got a hooded nib. This one has this, what we term as a semi-hooded nib. Let's show you the section underneath there. Everything internally has been cleaned, the nib's been removed, the feed's been removed, and everything has been cleaned. So just repeating myself once again, the word or the name Taperite is, if you like, down to this design. It was their design, they call this the Taperite nib. Although saying that, I have actually seen this particular pen or this model with the barrel imprint with the word Taperite written on the barrel. It's also just Again, very similar to the 51. You can see this ring here, that's actually the clutch ring, because inside the barrel, I don't know if it's actually visible or not, it's very similar to the Parker 51 in that it has a clutch inside the cap, which again sits over this clutch ring. A lovely size pen, nice and comfortable to hold with this sort of, it's a smooth section, but again very comfortable to hold. Now what I'm not going to do, because I've put a new sack in it, this particular pen was spotted and reserved by a viewer, so he's reserved it subject to full restoration, so I'm not going to fill the pen. I'm going to leave that pleasure to him. But what we'll do, just out of interest, because it looks like a fine nib, so what I'm going to do, let's see if we can do a dip test for you. So what we've got is a Watermans, as we said, this one being, do a spell it, there we go, a Watermans Taperite, although it's a Taperite, I believe the model being a Citation. Okay, so this is a Watermans Taperite Citation. I'm dating the pen, as I say, from mid 1940s, sort of 1946, and as you've already seen, made in England. Let's just give it one more little dip, give it a wipe. It's writing very nicely actually. Writing, as you can quite clearly see, with a fine line. I don't expect it to have any flexibility, even though it's a Waterman pen. There we go. So there we have it, writing with a fine line, writing very nicely. And there's your writing sample. So what we'll do, we'll just give that a swill out after the video, and we'll get it ready for shipping to its new home, to its new owner. So a lovely green, as I say, a little bit difficult to see on camera, but a green Watermans Taperite, the model being the 877, the name of the pen, the model I believe, is the Watermans Taperite Citation. Gorgeous, gorgeous pen, very handsome. So there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing it to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below, subscribe to my channel, and please give the video a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Excuse me. But for now, I'm just going to say Slava Ukraini. And from me and this handsome pen, I'm just going to say bye bye for now.